my channel, you guys. This is the reason why I love doing what I do. Today I went to Michael's. I was there right when the store opened. There was 2 other people that were there before I was, but when we walked in, they didn't even go for the grab bags. One lady went for yarn and then another person went for something else, but they had a whole pile of it. In the first box I kind of saw something sticking out, so I'm hoping that whole box is filled with those items. But I did get 5 of them, and which is fine. And then after I was going to the checkout, these other ladies were just grabbing cart after cart and just filling it up. So I don't know, I don't feel like I need a ton of them. I was just gonna get 4, and then Graham's like, oh, you should get another one, and I'm like, okay. So I just want to give you guys a full disclosure. A lot of this stuff I do donate, I do give away. I might resell it, some of it, it's just, you never know what you're gonna get. Some of that stuff is really cool, but the thing is, the reason why I love getting this is it's just a thrill. You guys never know what you're gonna get. You're gonna get $100 worth of stuff, and you never know what you're gonna get. So I'm gonna try to go quickly and share with you guys the first big box. So, got my scissors here, and give me a second to open it. They really tape these things shut. Now, they used to have these called the grab bags. Now they're kind of boxes, and they used to be $4. Now they're $5, which is still a great steal. I kind of have an idea what's in this box, but let's just dig in. Ooh, sweet. Let's just dig in and see what we got. Oh, okay. So I have some scrapbook stuff. It looks like it kind of fell apart. This was originally $14.99. It's $3.97, so we got some scrapbook stuff. I'm gonna have to empty a box up to put some stuff in it. Beads, you guys. I got a whole thing of white beads. This is $10. It was $10 for just a thing of white beads. That is awesome. I can definitely do stuff with that. Oh, we have a tablecloth cover, and this is like a kind of like a paper one or something like that, it looks like. But $6.99 tablecloth cover. I can use that for birthday parties. We got, this is $30 right here. It is a space sparkle sign. So basically they got some glitter sparkles and you press down on it. That's weird. That's weird, but that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. My kids are gonna love that. I got some black planner agenda books, so these are just something cool. So we got that. I have some, these are hard cardboard etiquette tags. These were originally $19.99. They're just like some etiquette tags, which is kind of cool because I could use those to price stuff when I do like my crafting stuff. This is what I saw that I was excited about. Metallic glue in blue. We got glow in the dark glue, and then this is color changing glue. You guys, these are awesome. This is great for the kids for some projects that they're gonna do. Here we got a Martha Stewart Best Wishes sign, and I could actually take this apart and make my own thing, so that is perfect. I got a ton of stickers, you guys. A ton of stickers. I'm not even gonna go through it with you, but I got a ton of stickers. There's just stickers galore. Okay, and then I have a little journal, a creative year journal. So you got every single year, so that was cool. This was originally $15.99. I got some other insert packs again. So we got more stickers. Okay, this is something cool. Okay, I got some yarn, I can't remember what the thing is called. I got some stems. These must be for flowers, but they're a bunch of just like metal sticks. These were originally $2.99, and I got 4 of them. 4 of them, just some metal sticks. I got, what is this? A notebook, kind of like another planner. I got a nice pair of sunglasses. That's cool. Yeah, okay. Got those. I got a light bulb. I've always wanted a light bulb. Always wanted a light bulb. I don't know. It's one of those Lumiere light bulbs, so that's kind of cool. And then I got a favor box. Martha Stewart favor box. This is kind of cool. This is for jewelry. Your jewelry beading stuff. I actually owned this stuff when I made jewelry. So this was originally 16 bucks, so that is cool. I got another journal thing. So I saw some boxes with this, you guys. Grapes. I got so much grapes. So that'd be kind of, yeah, I was just like, what, grapes? Then I didn't see it. This is something sweet. It's a little bag full, like just some papers and some washi tape. It's a little starter kit. This was originally $13.49 and they had it for $3 on clearance. I got some more of the, I don't even know what to call it, journal stuff. The stuff that's in my lap is falling off my lap. I got a accessory pouch, and then there's one more thing in this box. We got a leather accessory kit. So that is everything in one box, you guys. Let's open another one. Let's bring on box number 2. So, I kind of saw something wood in here. There is a ton of scrapbook stuff in here. So I got like a little book again. I got these little train wooden frames. The kids will love painting that. I got stickers, like tons of scrapbook stickers. I can't even tell you how many there are. But then I got more of the trains. So this could be something cool. I can always give the kids something to do like at a birthday party. So I got some train things, more stickers, like stickers. You guys, it's just crazy, all the stickers, tons of them. Oh, this is something I actually really like. We got cookie cutters. So I got number 2, number 5. I got 2 zeros, 2 more 5s, another 5, another 5, a 0, and a 1. So I love cookie cutters, I got a little stamp set. It looks like it's like just a little teacher little stamp set. Another light bulb. Ooh, scrunchies. Can never go wrong with scrunchies, you guys. So I got some scrunchies. Here we got some West Scott. Oh, staples. 1,000 staples. That's perfect. I was looking at buying staples the other day. I got some outdoor exterior paint. It says it's concrete, so that means it's like a gray color. That's kind of cool. I got some glass jars. These are perfect. Just regular glass jars. I got a stencil, another stencil. Here is a wedding invitation kit for 30 sets. It's got the 3 different things to choose from. Got another thing of staples, another dots thing. That is cool. You guys, there is more stickers in here. Like, I have never seen this many scrapbook stickers in my life. That is just crazy. What is this? This is, oh, I got some balloons. I got some, like, they might be, oh, I don't know if they got confetti in them or not, but some like clear balloons. I got some glasses. Nice cool little glasses. I got placement cards for wedding. I got some stuff I can always use for my jewels. That's kind of cool. I got this like glittery slimy slime, a pink one. That's awesome. I got some more of these scrapbook, more sticker stuff, scrapbook, more scrapbook stuff, another pair of sunglasses, staples, those are perfect, I got another holder of these, I got some glue, I don't know what kind of, it says relief outliner, transparent glitter. I don't know what glue this is for, but I got some glue. Got some little jewels for making jewelry, a little bit of stuff. I got some cat hair clips. Those are really cute. Some 4th of July pics. My store just got rid of a lot of stuff. I got a Swarovski jewel. More planner stuff, stickers, papers, all that stuff. I got some cupcake holders, a cupcake wrapper in the black silver. That is, oh, that is awesome. Zippers, you guys. Oh my gosh, like my mom would take these because she makes a lot of stuff. There's a ton of zippers in here. Holy crap, I got some zippers. Like, that is awesome. I'm totally giving that to my mom. Some stamps. I got some circular needles. This is for crocheting. Some more crochet needles. I'm almost to the bottom, you guys. I got like a little book There's a couple more scrapbook stuff in here. I got a watch, and then I got 3 boxes of these little sticker embellishment boxes. So I got 3 of those in there. So that is crazy, but on to the next box. You guys, we're on to box number 3. Now this one has some Christmas stuff in it. So here we go. I got, looks like 3 of these little like 3D boxes that do light up with like a trailer, so you guys can paint that stuff. That's kind of cool. Pre-lit. So you gotta put the dinosaurs in there. You gotta put the batteries in there. So I got 3 of those. I see a ton of these ballpoint pens. They're the red, white, and green. So I got a ton of these. There's just a ton of pens. So that is awesome. Oh, and then I got some, nope, never mind. I thought they were silver. But no, look at how many pens, you guys. Enough with the pens. There's so much pens in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so enough with the pens. I got this is actually pretty cute because this is letters to Santa, and you can open it from the back, but I could always just paint this myself and do stuff with my own Cricut machine for a decoration for my house. This is actually perfect. I'm gonna do something with this. Yeah, I'm gonna probably paint that and decorate it, but that was originally $14.99. So that was cool. Oh, I got a pillow. I got 2 pillows, you guys. So here we got jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride. The pillow was $29.99. That's actually kind of cool. Can't go wrong with pillows. So I got 2 pillows that are just full of glitter. I got a vacuum back here. So pillows. Okay. Here I got a bunch of these picks with the red and the white. That's actually pretty cool. We got gold and like a rose gold. These were originally $5.99. There's a bunch of them in here. So I can always figure out what to make with these. Some more of those, so that's kind of cool. There's more pens in here, you guys. I got like a little Christmas tree. I got this air drying modeling clay, so the kids can actually make something with the modeling clay. Those were $4.99. I got these little plaques that say cheer and merry, which is kind of cool. I can always paint those up. These look like they were 99 cents. 99 cents. Merry Christmas, cards and envelopes. Those are always perfect. I got a reindeer napkin holder. Some ornament hooks. Perfect, because I sell ornaments. I can always use those. I got a little dog. Some Christmas charms. I got some Christmas earrings, which is perfect for when I have my Christmas party. Some more charms, more pens, and that is it. So that was box number 2. Not as cool as the past 2 boxes, but I will take it. I'm actually pretty excited about that mailbox. I'm excited to turn something into that mailbox for Christmas decoration for next year. So now let's go to box. So I did open my last 2 boxes, and I thought one box was going to be full of t-shirts, and this is all we got for shirts. So I got like a large like denim blue shirt. I got a large black shirt. You can't go wrong with these. I'm like, why would they get rid of this like a regular shirt? I have no idea. And then we also have a large like teal shirt. So these are perfect for my decorating stuff. Those are perfect for me, you guys. They fit my size and everything. This box is completely filled with scrapbook stuff. Pretty much everything that I showed you guys. It has a ton of these boxes in it. And it's, yeah, there's like 6 or 7 boxes of that in there. Stickers, zippers. I got some more color changing glue. Just add sunlight. I'm pretty excited for that. I got some more zippers, some more glue, and then I got those leather accessory kits. So that was 1 box. So that's okay. A lot of the same repeaters, but that's okay. I probably will sell some of that stuff or get rid of it. But here, woo, awesome, you guys. I make wreaths out of these. I didn't know they sold that stuff this year, but you don't get very much, but they wanted $4.99 for this. I make my wreaths out of these. I make wreaths out of these. So there's 3 packs in here. No, 4 packs. These are perfect for me. Perfect. So I'm saving those for next year, so when I make wreaths. I got some like reindeer headbands. This isn't my style, but these were $12.99. I got Santa going down the chimney, like that's awesome. Like we always have an ugly sweater party, so this is perfect to wear, you guys, perfect to wear. Here is like a little kitty headband. Charlotte can definitely wear this next year. I got some like foam craft kit so the kids can make some ornaments, perfect for like when we're bored. I can't believe how many Christmas trees we have. Christmas trees, Christmas trees, Christmas trees. I have this many foam Christmas trees. These are $3.99. I can see if I can make something with those. I have a ton of ornament craft mixes, but you guys, like, you can make 12. Look at how many popsicle sticks I have. Like, it's all the same way in the manger. Christmas Knoll is what it's called. But I got tons of these. Like, look at all the popsicle sticks. Popsicle sticks, popsicle sticks. So you can make tons of little crafts with this. There's like 8 of them in here. More. There's more. There's more. It never ends with the popsicle sticks. Okay, so that is all in there. And then the rest in here are probably about 10 of these little, foam little wreath things. But yeah, that was it. So I paid $25 for all that stuff. I think I did get some pretty good stuff. Some stuff's like but some stuff I can actually turn into a lot of crafting things, which is pretty exciting. I got popsicle sticks. The kids can actually take these apart and they can build something with popsicle sticks. So that is cool. I love getting these little foam things. I know I don't get as much as I would in with the Dollar Tree stuff, but hey, I will still take it. So yeah, that is awesome. That is awesome. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you check your store. Some people take all of them. I barely even put a dent in my stuff, but some people take everything and some people don't. But I really enjoy this because you never know what you're gonna get. Last year I got some really good stuff. I got like a whole box of wrapping paper, which was crazy. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys the next time. See you later. Bye-bye.